PowerRise 2.1 with Platinum technology. Available on Hunter Douglas Pirouette window shadings. The patented Hunter Douglas PowerRise 2.1 motorized option provides convenient, cordless operation for precise light control and privacy. Control shadings from a handheld remote, wall switch, or LCD timer accessory. And coming soon, Hunter Douglas will also offer the Platinum app, allowing the control of pirouette shadings from a smartphone or tablet. PowerRise 2.1 quietly raises and lowers shadings, as well as opens and closes the vanes. For total control, customers can move shadings individually or simultaneously. And Pirouette with PowerRise 2.1 provides the highest degree of child and pet safety. Hunter Douglas Pirouette window shadings, an elegant way to control light beautifully.